You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this city, or should we say country as well. We'll be looking at how to say more names of famous places around Italy and Rome in particular. In British English it's said as Vatican City, or no, city I should say, Vatican City. Now in American English, Vatican City, Vatican City. In Italian, if you're curious, Vaticano, Vaticano. But in English, Vatican City, Vatican City. And now, you know, more videos we're here to learn more. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.